guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today's video, I'm going to take it back a little bit, just a little bit. We'll be reviewing Luster's Pink hair products. Yes, y'all heard me right, Luster's Pink. We all remember Luster's Pink from our childhood. My mother used to use it all the time to slick my hair into ponytails before she did a blow dry. Y'all could even see it right here. My mother used to slick my hair into these two ponytails. So that's the jam. That was the jam. And it still might be, okay? So in today's video, we'll be reviewing products from Luster's Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil Collection. And you guys will see how I achieved this wash and go. So that's what we'll be doing in today's video. So thank you so much, Luster's Pink, for sponsoring today's video. As always, you guys know the thoughts, opinions, and everything included in this video is of my own. Y'all know I always keep it real with y'all. So that's what we'll be doing in this video. Nothing new. And yeah, so before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Join Kensthetic family because we lit over here. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and drop a comment down below after you watch this entire video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I started off on this dry hair. Yeah, I just have my hair in 2 braids in the house, and I'm gonna start off by rinsing my hair and detangling my hair. I always like starting on a wet detangled base, so that's always my first step. Now I'm gonna go in with the Luster's Pink Sulfate-Free Moisturizing Shampoo. This shampoo claims to gently clarify action, effectively removing styling product and buildup, which I absolutely needed. I had a lot of product buildup on my hair, so this shampoo did a great job helping me cleanse my hair while at the same time moisturizing my hair. If you guys been here before, been on my channel before, y'all know that I am here for a shampoo that not only clarifies my hair but also moisturizes it. So this shampoo did exactly that, and I was super excited about that. This shampoo also claims to have a creamy foaming formula, which we see. This shampoo lathered beautifully, I will say that. The consistency was very soothing to feel. I don't know how to explain it, but it was very creamy and I was here for it. This shampoo is also formulated with shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, wheat germ oil, vitamin E, and provitamin B5. This shampoo also claims to gently cleanse hair and scalp without stripping away precious moisture. As you guys saw, I worked the shampoo into my scalp as well as the strands of my hair, and it did a great job removing product buildup while still having me maintain that moisture in my hair. So I was absolutely here for it, and I loved this shampoo. So after I went ahead and shampooed each one of my sections, I went ahead and rinsed it out, and this is what my hair is looking like. Nice and voluminous, nice and moisturized, okay? So then I went in with the Luster's Pink Moisturizing and Smoothing Conditioner. This conditioner is formulated with shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, argan oil, and vitamin E. It claims to be uniquely formulated for dry, brittle hair. So with the conditioner, I just went ahead and applied it throughout my hair, and it sunk straight into my hair. My hair felt amazing. It was nice and moisturizing, so I was here for it. So I kept it in for 5 minutes, and then I went ahead and rinsed it out, and this is what my hair is looking like. Curls are slightly defined, moisture here, shine here. My hair was just so soft, so moisturized, and I was absolutely here for it. Okay, so now we're gonna move into the next step, which is the styling. So I'll show you guys how I did this wash and go. So first of all, when I do my wash and goes, I do them in the shower, and I make sure my hair is soaking wet. So I went in and I used the Luster's Pink Moisturizing Hair Milk As you guys know, if you watch my videos, I always apply my leave-in or my hair milk in the shower just because I feel like it gives me the most moisture. But that's exactly what I did here too. So this product claims to provide natural textured hair. It's proper daily serving of natural emollients and vitamins to look and feel its very best. Okay, this product also claims to control frizz, which is why I chose it for my wash and go, because my hair is always getting frizzy. So I went in next with the Lustrous Pink Curl-Poppin Defining Gel, and this is a gel that I chose to do for my wash and go. I just went ahead and started off with a little bit of the product and applied it to my hair. And as you guys can see, this gel had my curls popping, so it never lied in the title. Like, the curls were there, the curls were present, and the curls were popping. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep repeating those few steps to my hair. So first, I'm gonna make sure my hair is soaking wet. Then I'm gonna go in and apply the Lustrous Pink Moisturizing Hair Milk. And then I'm going to wet my hair a little bit more if I feel like it's not saturated enough. And then I'm going to go in with the Lustrous Pink Curl-Poppin Defining Gel. So that's basically what I did across my whole head to get this wash and go. The Curl-Poppin Gel, I started off using a little bit and then I just built more just because I feel like it's easier to add more product versus saturating my hair enough to take away from me applying extra product, if that makes sense. So here's my hair after I finished the bottom half of my hair. You guys could kind of see like a before and after, before being the top of my hair and after being the back of my hair. My hair looks so good. Okay, it's nice and glossy, nice and moisturized, and curls are indeed popping. And then here's my hair side to side. You can see my right hand side is done and my left hand side is not done. So this can just give you a before and after to show you guys how I achieved this wash and go on my type 4 hair. And I went ahead and finished that last quad of my hair, and this is what we are looking like. I'm gonna give y'all a 360 so y'all can see the finished wet product before we went ahead and air dried. And this is how we are looking. Okay, nice, juicy, saturated, curls are popping, and all of that, period. So I am back now. My hair went ahead and fully air dried, and this is how we are looking. This is the final look, and I am here for it. Okay, hair is moisturized, hair is voluminous, hair is shiny. Like, we have a good gloss of shine in our hair, and it just looks so amazing. Like, I'm absolutely in love with it. And yeah, so now to go through all of the products that we use in today's video. So the first thing we used was the Sulfate-Free Moisturizing Shampoo. And I loved this shampoo. Y'all know I love a shampoo that gives me a good cleanse and still moisturizes my hair. Okay, so this shampoo did exactly that, which I absolutely loved. It was hydrating, it was clarifying, and I would use it over and over again, and after I'm done with it, I'll go ahead and spend my own coins and use it over again. Okay, so this shampoo was that girl. So the next product that I used was a moisturizing and smoothing conditioner. This conditioner made detangling my hair super easy, and also it had a good amount of slip. So the next two products I used were styling products, which we used to get this wash and go. So I used the moisturizing hair milk as well as the Curl-Poppin Defining Gel, and the combination of these two worked perfectly on my type 4 low porosity, slightly color treated, because our color's growing out now here, but I would highly recommend this combination for a wash and go if you have type 4 hair. The collection does have multiple gels / stylers that are great for wash and goes, but I would highly recommend the Curl-Poppin Defining Gel specifically if you have type 4 hair. That is just my recommendation. So overall, I loved the products that I used from the Shea Butter Coconut Oil collection. They smelled amazing and they worked on my hair. So that combination, I am here for it. I'm here for it, okay? So I would highly recommend for you guys to try these products out. You can find Lustrous Pink products in your local Target, Rite Aid, Walgreens, and your local beauty supply stores. I know that we're in quarantine right now, but y'all, no worries. Y'all can still order them online and try them out, okay? Also, don't forget to follow Luster's Pink on their social media. Everything will be down below for your reference. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my hair. Comment down below and let me know how you think everything came out. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and drop a comment down below. And until my next video, I will see you all later.